issue crapping.
Very slowly creeping.
Man, that's like a back scratcher too. Wow, that's some pressure.
My name's Elainea. This is a 99 Pontiac Grand Am. The whole build was done by Scott Bowman. You probably are familiar with that name. And you can see his logo on the hood. So starting with the front, I have a Singer 290 amp alternator, just one. That's all I can fit.
Yep.
And that is going back to a 190 amp hour lithium band done by, I'll think of it in a second. But anyhow, I've got two solid 8Ks pushing 6 Sundown NSD4 12s. I have 3 Sundown SFB 500.4s down there, pushing 16 Sundown, Crossfire mids and 8 Crossfire Super Tweets, all off a Kenwood head unit. So, yep, doesn't do real good on the meter, but it does really nice to the ear. At least I think so.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
I'm coming.
Niggas caught me slipping was okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too blunt. Say my days a number, but I keep waking up. Let me see my text, baby, please say something. Niggas gotta move on my release day home.
HEYZ. H-E-Y-Z. I love almost everything that he's come out with. Good stuff.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. This is fancy.
Yeah?
I'm surprised y'all put some fab work to get this much subcone area right here.
It took a lot of work. Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right. So
What's the tuning like on it?
it's tuned about 35.
35, okay. But the peak frequency, does it change a lot?
Not a lot. It does best between say 32 and 38.
Okay. All right.
A little higher than a lot of these other builds.
Oh, yeah.
But it's a lot to cram into a Grand Am. So
Oh yeah. I'm surprised you're having to have this issue crapping.
it's painfully slow. It's just very slowly creeping.
Got it.
It's embarrassing.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right.
Lithium bank was done by Coventry Industries.
Coventry. Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Nice.
The hood prop and the 8K amplifier covers are done by LAF Fabrications, LAF.
Yep. LAF. Okay.
Yep. So there you go.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Is this a daily driver or a project vehicle?
This is definitely a garage kept vehicle that doesn't leave the nest very often.
Got it. Okay.
I go to one show a year usually.
Okay.
So yeah.
I like the whole layout and the blue theme of it. Who built this?
Scott Bowman.
Okay, I remember hearing. Yeah, I've heard his system. He had 615s or something like that.
Something crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, crazy. I'm gonna take a picture real quick if this is okay.
Yeah, with me or you want me to get out?
I don't want to kick you out, but yeah, if it's okay, then we'll get a better picture right here. If this can go up.
That's an awesome build.
Yeah, that doesn't move a whole lot, but
That's good right there.
you want door closed?
Yeah, door closed is a little better. Nice. scratcher too. Wow, that's some pressure.
It'll make you itch a little bit. It'll make you itch a little bit.
Wow.
So it's definitely a garage kept vehicle that doesn't leave the nest very often.
Got it. Okay.
I go to one show a year usually.
Okay.
So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yep. I like the whole layout and the blue.